Here's a little secret about exercise. The days of going to the gym for 60 minutes are long gone. What the research shows is the best exercise that you can do is what we call high intensity interval training, HIIT. Now, what is this? This really is where you do high intensity for short duration, let your heart rate go up, and then you relax. So for example, you could do jump and jack for 30 seconds, check your heart rate, get your heart rate up really high, and then relax for a minute or two, and then do another set of jumping jacks for 30 seconds, as many as you can do. Let your heart rate go up, and then you relax. Now, with this kind of exercise, I'm going to go over 6 metabolic benefits that you're going to get doing this versus going to the gym for an hour. Number 1, it's going to increase your caloric burning. Number 2, it improves your body's ability to utilize oxygen. Number 3, it increases insulin sensitivity. Number 4, it's going to increase fat oxidation, or basically the breakdown of fat. Number 5, it's going to boost your metabolism. And number 6, it's going to increase your mitochondria. All this from a short duration. This program could last 5 minutes or 10 minutes. The days of going to the gym for 60 minutes or an hour and a half are gone. If you've enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.